Good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn mathematics part 1, and in that first lesson is linear equation in two variables. So let us start with this. What is a linear equation? An equation which contains two variables. Equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. Degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called as linear equation in two variables. Now, what is the general form of that linear equation? The general form is ax plus bx plus c is the general form is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
A, B, C are real numbers and A, B are not equal to 0 at the same time. Means हमें इस इक्वेशन में क्या ध्यान रखना है? A, B, C 3 real numbers are there, but A and B should not be 0. Example 3x 4y plus 12 is general form of equation. That can be written as 3x is equal to 4y minus 12, right? Now we have to complete this activity. Looking at the first equation, they have mentioned that 4m plus 3n equals 12. Whether it is a linear equation in two variable? Yes. Why? Because it has one variable, second variable and c, right? Value of c is 12. If we take that 12 on the left hand side, so right hand will get 0. So that is in the form of linear equation two variables. Now look at second. Here the degree of first variable is 2, right? As far as definition is concerned, what they have asked? They said degree of variable must be 1. Degree of variable must be 1. Now here is the degree 2. So this is not a linear equation in two variables. Now look at third one. Here root 2, root 5 and 16. These all are real numbers. So the third equation is linear equation in two variables and degree is also 1.
Yes.
X and y degree is 1. So yes, it is the linear equation in two variables. Look at third one. As they have mentioned, A, B, C should not be 0. So here it is 0. Therefore it is not a linear equation. Again here y is 0. So therefore not an
Equation.
and sixth one, here 4 by x and 5 by y is equals 4. In this case the degree of variables is minus 1. Why? Because if we will take this x 1 by x, so it is x inverse. So what is the condition? Degree of x and y must be 1. Degree must be 0. Degree must be 1. There should not be any 0 present in ABC. अगर 0 है ABC में तो वो linear equation नहीं है. अगर degree 1 है then only it is linear equation. Degree क्या होना चाहिए? 1. It means इसके ऊपर no degree, it means 1 is there. इसके ऊपर no degree means
1.
1 is there. So therefore these are linear equations, but this is not.
No.
Last one. Here we have a doubt. Sir, they have mentioned x and y together, right? So the degree of x and y is 2. Why? Because degree of x is 1 and degree of y is
1.
so all together degree of this first is 2, right?
Yes.
So this is also
No.
not an
Equation.
equation. Now simultaneous linear equation. What is simultaneous linear equation? When we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equations. Means if we are thinking about two linear equations in two variable. So last year we learned to solve simultaneous equation by eliminating one variable. Let us revise. So we will revise it. Solve the following simultaneous equation: 5x 3y 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. So what is first method? We will write the equation and we will try to match one of its ABC, right? So here multiply both sides of equation 2 by 3. So if we will multiply this by 3, then 3 3s are 9, 3y and 6. So these two will get matched,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So what we'll do? We will add the equations over here. So what will happen? 9 plus 5 plus minus cancel. 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14. So now this 14 is multiplied over here with x. That will go on that side. That will be divided. So 14 by 14, 1. So value of y is 1, right? Yes, value of x is 1. So putting that x1, x is equal to 1 in one of the equation, so that became 3x plus y equals 2. So x may, if we are putting value as 1, so 3 into 1 is 3, y as it is, we'll take this 3 over here, so 2 minus 3 is minus 1, right? So solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. It is also written as, so for exam you will write x comma y is equals 1 comma minus 1, right? As this was method 1, we have to understand method 2. So we have 5x 3y 8, 3x y 2. So let us write the value of y in terms of x. So what we will do, we will rearrange this equation, right? How we will rearrange? This 3x will go on this side, so y is equals 2 minus 3x. Now put that value of y into equation immediately, right? So putting that value in the above equation, 5x 3y and 8, 5x 3y and 8. So if we will put the value of y in this equation, what will happen? So for y we have mentioned the value 2 minus 3x. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Now 5x plus 9x is 14x, 6 as it is. Now this 6 will go on this side. So minus 6 will become plus 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14x. So here again the value of x is 1. Now we will put that value in another equation, we will get the value of y. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope it is very much understood to you. Yes, you can choose any one of the method. Solve 3x plus 2y equals 29. 5x minus y is 18. So here they have given this activity to solve. 3x plus 2y is 29 and 5x minus y is 18. Let's solve the equation by eliminating y. Fill suitably the boxes below. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. It means this is equation number 2. 5x into 2 minus y into 18 into 2. So here 5 2s are
10.
minus y into 2 minus 2y, 18 2s are
36.
right.
Yes.
Let's add equations 1 and 3. So this is our third equation. So we will add 10x, 2y and
36.
so 2y cancel. 10 plus 3 13x, 36 plus 29 how much?
65.
Sure?
Yes.
Do it fast.
60.
65. So this 13 is multiplied over here, that will go here and divide. So 65 divided by 13. So answer is
5.
13 was a 13, 13.
5 plus 65.
So answer is 5. X is equals 5. Substituting x is equal 5 in equation 1. So here we have to put 5. 3 5s are
50.
right.
Yes.
Three 5s are 15. Now this 15 will go on right hand side. Here it is plus, that became minus. So 29 minus 15.
40.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So this 2 is multiplied over here. This will go on this side. So 14 divided by 2. So answer must be
7.
7. So we have first answer was
5.
and second is
7.
right. This is the solution. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now 15x plus 17y equals 21. That is 17x plus 15y is equals 11. These two equations are given. In the two equations above, coefficients of x and y are interchanged. While solving such equation, we get two simple equation by adding and subtracting the given equation. After solving this equation, we can easily find the solution. So in this, what we have to understand, the coefficient of x and y are interchanged. If such type of equations are given, for that, what is the simple thing we need to do? We need to either subtract or add, and we will get new equation, right? So here what we have done, 15x plus 17y plus is equal to 21 is added to 17x plus 15y is equals 11. 21, 11, 32, 17, 15, 32, 15, 17, 32. So we got 32x, 32y equals 32. Dividing all sides by 32, we'll get x plus y is equals 1. Now, after adding, we have to subtract it. We have to subtract the equation. So we'll get minus 2x plus 2y equals 10. Now divide this by 2 because common factor is 2. So after dividing it by 2, we'll get x minus x plus y and 5. So now we have two different equation, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now let's add equation 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So x, y, 1 minus x, y, 5. So this plus x and minus x will directly get cancelled. Y plus y is 2y. Y plus y is 2y. And 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. So these two 2 is multiplied over here, that will go on this side, that will divide the 6. So 6 by 2. So answer is y is equal to 3. Now you are smart enough to put these values in the equation. So what we will do, we will put this equation in equation number 3. Now look at the equation, y is equal to 3. So x plus 3 is 1. Now that 3 is plus over here, that will go on that side, that became minus 3. So that became
Minus.
y is x is equal to minus 2. 2. 1 minus 3 is कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं वैभव घर पे हाँ we are just answering blindly 3 और 1 था so this 3 will go on that side that became minus so 1 minus 3 is minus 2 so answer is first x and second y is the solution. Now after understanding all this, I am expecting you to solve the exercise practice set 1.1. We'll give you time to solve that, and again I will solve that part practice set 1.1 along with the previous prerequisite knowledge. You should solve the practice 1.1. If in case you feel any doubt, so when I will solve that practice at 1.1, you will get the doubts cleared. I hope you understood.
Yes.
Fine. So we will get back soon. Meanwhile, start solving practice at 1.1. And those who are watching on video, they also should solve practice at 1.1. Within next few minutes, we will get back with practice at 1.1. Thank you so much.